Hi inJoypreneurs! Dahil bare months na, for sure marami na naman ang magtitrend na business ideas. So for this video, we will make a business idea na patok at madaling ibenta ngayong Kapaskuhan. Ang Mango Graham Float using inJoy Cream Puff and Fun Frap Whipped Cream. For the ingredients, we just need 250 grams of cream puff powder, 240 ml of water, 140 grams of Fun Frap Whipped Cream powder, 240 ml of ice-cold water, 120 ml of condensed milk, crushed graham, and sliced mangoes. First, mix your 250 grams of cream puff powder into your 240 ml of water using a wire whisk. Mix well until you achieve a heavy cream puff mixture like so. In a separate bowl, mix 140 grams of whipped cream powder and 240 ml of ice-cold water using a hand mixer. Mix well until our mixtures are fully incorporated. Now let's mix our prepared heavy cream puff mixture and heavy whipped cream mixture using a spatula. Makakagawa kayo ng 3 pieces of 500 ml tubs sa mixture na ito. Let's add 120 grams of condensed milk into our mixture. This step is optional. If you're not a fan of condensed milk, you can skip this step. We can now prepare our layering. Just add in crushed grahams, diced mangoes, and our prepared heavy cream puff with heavy whipped cream mixture. Then repeat the process until fully assembled. And that's it! Pwede nyo rin lagyan ng iba't ibang design ang Mango Graham Float nyo. Thanks for watching! Bye!